A&H Consultant welcomes you to this exclusive 2026 briefing on Grok AI. We will explore the technical evolution of XAI, from its foundational beginnings to its current capabilities and future potential in the enterprise sector. XAI was founded by Elon Musk in March 2023 with a mission to understand the universe through transparent reasoning. Supported by the proprietary Memphis Colossus supercomputer, the team has leveraged elite research talent to scale rapidly and build massive infrastructure. Grok AI is defined by its dynamic reasoning and integrated core. It uses test-time compute to handle complex queries and maintains deep synergy with X and Tesla ecosystems for real-time grounding, making it a powerful tool for technical and financial analysis. The XAI roadmap shows a trajectory of rapid growth, from the 2023 launch of Grok 1 through the 2024 open sourcing of base weights and Grok 2 to the 2025 expansion of the Colossus supercomputer, and finally, the integrations of 2026. The core philosophy behind XAI is a commitment to truth-seeking. Elon Musk has emphasized the need for a curiosity-driven AI that explores controversial facts to better understand human activity, offering a robust alternative to models that might suffer from over-alignment. Grok operates in three specialized modes: Think mode for multi-step reasoning, Deep Search for comprehensive, multi-agent web investigations, and Big Brain mode for handling massive, accuracy-focused quantitative modeling tasks. Grok's real-time power comes from its direct integration with X, allowing it to process live trends, evaluate public commentary, and cite validated sources, which is essential for monitoring fast-moving incidents and financial developments. In the realm of coding, Grok demonstrates excellence through its ability to perform agentic execution and complex refactoring. It has shown the capability to develop functional, complex hybrid applications from a single prompt. By integrating with Flux image generation and utilizing an interactive canvas, Grok provides advanced visual analysis capabilities, enabling users to translate blueprints and generate UI mockups alongside front-end code. For professional writing, Grok offers technical synthesis and an interactive canvas workspace. While it excels at logical and structured reporting, users should note its preference for direct, factual explanations over creative prose. The business impact of Grok is significant, offering measurable efficiency gains across engineering, research, and market intelligence departments by streamlining processes and reducing manual overhead. Grok provides powerful professional tools, including exceptional mathematical problem-solving, native formula parsing, and a massive context window of up to 1 million tokens for deep academic and research investigation. For enterprise scaling, Grok features unified project management, a developer-friendly agent tools API, and auditable logic, allowing teams to collaborate in real time on code repositories and document collections. Grok's strategic advantages include blazing fast latency, the capacity to process massive documents through its extensive context window, and a highly competitive cost structure that supports large-scale enterprise deployments. While powerful, users should be mindful of Grok's factual tone and its dependency on the X ecosystem. Custom system guidelines are recommended to align the model's direct style with specific corporate brand voices. This chart compares Grok 4 with current industry competitors across key metrics. Grok 4 leads in real-time access through its unique X-feed integration, demonstrates superior performance in math scores, and is specifically optimized for advanced research and live trend analysis. Grok extends beyond digital AI into physical-digital integration. It powers Tesla FSD's linguistic controls, serves as the reasoning engine for Optimus robots, and utilizes an ultra-low latency physical voice for real-time interaction, supported by the massive scale of the Colossus computing farm. Responsible AI is critical. Users are encouraged to utilize private chat toggles for sensitive data and implement enterprise API keys with zero retention parameters. Additionally, while Grok is highly analytical, we recommend human-in-the-loop reviews to ensure outputs align with your corporate tone. To summarize, Grok offers three main pillars: world-class STEM mastery for complex problem-solving, live grounding through native integration with human events for real-time insights, and industrial-grade scale via the Colossus supercluster for high-efficiency enterprise deployment. Thank you for exploring the capabilities of Grok AI in this 2026 update. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to motivate us to create more valuable content.